Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the battery on your Apple AirTag. It's very easy to do. The replacement battery that you're going to need is a CR2032. So on your AirTag, you're going to go counterclockwise, so anti-clockwise, just a tiny little bit until it doesn't go anymore. And that will release the top shiny cover. And this is your battery under here. The orientation that it goes back in is positive towards the top, positive towards the positive on the middle bit there. You can see the positive there. So once you get your replacement battery, you put it in here, positive facing you, and then you have 3 prongs just here, and you line them up with these 3 gaps here, like so, and then press down and clockwise. You will hear it will make a sound at you, and there you go, clockwise. So that's it. So straightforward to change. And there has been reports online that batteries with the coating on, the repulsive taste, the bitter taste, may not work with the AirTags. Personally, I haven't found that, but if you're having problems connecting, then try another battery that hasn't got the coating on it. And when it comes to the old battery, make sure you dispose of it safely or recycle it safely. Do not let children play with them or vulnerable people. They can be very dangerous if they're swallowed. Thanks for watching.